The essence of democracy is embodied by the decisive, diligent, and dutiful youth of any nation, and India proudly houses world's largest youth population. As India's general election progresses, over 18 million first-time voters are making their presence felt in the 2024 elections. A staggering 194.7 million individuals aged 20 to 29 are engaging in the electoral process, reflecting a population where over 50% are under the age of 25. As the young voters step into their roles as citizens, it's imperative that they understand the importance of exercising their right to vote.
Since times immemorial, when I was in school, we have been taught and imbibed in our mind that democracy is of the people, by the people, and for the people. And to live that code, it is very important and pertinent for all of us to go out and vote.
If you want to change the society, if you want something to happen in the country, you have to go to vote first.
Having the chance to vote and express concerns through this opportunity, their active involvement in the electoral process directs the nation's path for the years ahead.
Vote is a matter of privilege, and for me, the issue is going to be the education one, because I believe education is the one thing which impacts in the entirety of Indian community.
I would be concerned about the good leader, and beside that, I would be going for a good candidate who is from my constituency, who would help me and my area to develop.
According to me, is being able to given the power that I myself can choose a political party that can rule this use of a country. So that is pretty exciting for me.
And from the corridors of University of Delhi, we've delved into the hopes and perspectives of India's first-time voters. And as the nation continues its journey to the ballot boxes, their influence is set to leave an impact on our future. With video journalist Vishwa Bandhu, Kirat Chawla for DD India in New Delhi.